What's going on, OTG fam? It's your boy Ace, back at it again. Shout out to all my OTG Kicks fam in the building. I appreciate you guys. So today we're going to be using some Neenah Jet Pro 3G opaque paper. Neenah Jet Pro 3G opaque paper, the dark transfer paper, to put a picture on a shirt. This in particular is a Kobe Bryant picture. One of my loyal customers, he asked me last minute to make a shirt for them for tomorrow, so I decided, hey, I'm just gonna do a tutorial, a quick video on it. The shirt I'm using is a Bella Canvas 3001C. Great t-shirt if you're trying to find some nice high quality shirts. I like the Gildens. That's what I started off with. But, I had to gradually graduate to the Bella Canvas. I had a lot of customers who prefer the quality of the shirt. They love to feel the softness, the stretch. So I end up getting some Bella Canvas. Next level 3600 is also a good one too as well. So now back to using the heat transfer paper. My choice of paper is the dark transfer paper, which is used on dark garments. Also, you can use it on light garments. I don't like to use the white transfer paper because it doesn't have the vibrancy as the dark transfer paper. So I just go straight to the dark transfer 3G opaque paper, and I feel like even though it has that paper feel, it gives a better quality photo on a t-shirt. This is a great thing to add to your business. It gives you a lot of range, especially for funerals and kids' birthdays and such. You can put a picture on any type of garment that you want, and you can make money. Anyways, let's get to making this shirt. So one thing to know is with this dark transfer paper that has a backing, the backing, you have to peel the backing from the front, right? And in order to do so, I already pre-peeled it already. You have to take, this is a little tool that comes with my weeding tool kit that I purchased from Amazon. And I usually hit one of these corners. I take the edge and I try to get in between the photo and the back of the paper. Keep in mind, it's very sharp at the point, so you can't scratch the photo. Once you do that, you gotta just scrap the whole photo and journal. But once you're able to get in between, you can peel like so. So this is how the photo will look once it's peeled off from the backing, and you place it onto the shirt like so. I'm going to adjust my camera. I've been using my cell phone a lot. I actually just started using this as the DJI OM4 gimbal that I just purchased. So we're going to see how it works. Another great thing to add to your t-shirts is to add a neck label. So this is just a quick neck label that I drew up for, like I said, a customer of mine that's been a loyal customer. So I'm just going to throw this on while I'm pressing. My heat settings is at 350 and I press for 30 seconds. With this heat press, I usually add 2 to 3 seconds because it's a auto open press. So let me line up my image. There we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I already have my shirt situated onto the press, and I'm going to use my business card, which gives me the 3 to 4 inches as suggested. I don't really like using the 3 fingers, so I usually use my business card. It also has a sharp edge, so it helps me out with making sure the image is even. Very important thing while doing these transfer papers rather, is to have heat tape. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, I have my business card here. It's lined up. It's allowing me to have a straight, even photo. I'm going to take my measuring tape here. I'm going to measure from side to side. to make sure that it is even on both sides. You know, I started off with a ruler, but I kind of feel using the tape is a little bit better than using the ruler. I had problems with scratching the photo using the ruler. In particular, this metal one right here. Once again, if you get the T-square, it's pretty good. This one is pretty good. It helps out a lot when I'm lining up my shirt, but I still revert back to the tape when doing the actual image. And that's just me. You know, I pride myself on the quality of work that I put out there, and that keeps the customers coming back and keep them happy. So everything is lined up. If you don't have any measuring tape or a ruler, I learned this from Stan Banks. Put two hands right here. You measure the picture and how many fingers on and off the board. And that's it. You're good to go. So let me tape this down. Gotta be careful. Sometimes it moves. But you can always pick up the tape and just move the image back to your liking. Like I said, this is a great thing to add to your business. I can't reiterate that enough. The last couple of months, I've been pushing out a lot of photos on t-shirts, and that's how I've been making my money as of late. Thank you once again to all the supporters. All right, so another thing that we're gonna never forget to use, you can use a Teflon sheet. You can use a Teflon sheet, or you can use the parchment paper. I prefer the parchment paper. It gives it a more softer feel. So I'm gonna press this now for the 30 seconds. Like I said, 30 seconds for 350 degrees. Medium pressure. This is a cold peel, so I'll show you what I do just to make sure that it cools off a little bit faster. There we go. You got to be careful with the auto open. Sometimes it raises the image up off of the paper, off the shirt rather, and that would definitely damage your image. All right, so usually I just take my larger pillow, I just fan it off. That's all. I just fan it. Just make sure that it gets cool to the touch. Then I peel it. I peel this part off. I take the heat tape off, and then I repress it again for another 30 seconds. So for the most part, it's kind of warm to the touch. So this is how it looks straight off the press. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing. Definitely came out pretty good. As you can see, nice quality. This shirt is a great quality, so also you don't see a lot of the little lines of ripples in the shirt. Now I'm going to peel off this tape, and then I'm going to repress it along with the neck label and show you the final product. All right, guys, so we are done. Let me try to back up. Here we go. We are done with our Kobe t-shirt. Look how beautiful this came out. Look how beautiful this came out. This is amazing. This is amazing. Woo, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shirt. Neck label came out sweet too. Sometimes if you can find the same color contrast to go with your neck label, it makes it pop out and add some more character to your garment. Anyways, this is your boy Ace from OTG Kicks. This is a quick tutorial on how to use dark transfer paper on white garments or any color garment like I suggest. And we out. Peace.